Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Siti, Hawa and my fellow friends. Now we will present about supply chain management for the company of Top Glove Malaysia. Before that, I will introduce my fellow members, which is Nurul Atira binti Anwar, Nurul Anif binti Maisa, Nur Atika binti Abdul Rahman Siddiq, Farhana binti Muhammad Hazir, and me, myself, Janatun Nisa binti Abu Bakar. And here I will present for the introduction. Top Glove Manufacturing Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian rubber glove manufacturer who also specialize in surgical glove, face masks, dental dams and others. The company owns and operates 47 manufacturing facilities in Malaysia, Thailand, China and Vietnam. It also has a marketing office in these countries except Vietnam, as well as the United States, Germany and Brazil. The company was founded in Malaysia in 1991 by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai with one production line and with comprising 100 people staff only. Wee Chai's parents are rubber plantations owners and traders. Top Glove has since become the world's largest manufacturer of gloves, commanding 26% of world market share. For the vision and mission, the vision of Top Glove is to strive to be the world's leading manufacturer with excellent quality glove products that enrich and protect human life, while the mission statement is to be world-class glove manufacturer providing top quality product with excellent service through continuous improvement and innovation. The company offers 13 types of rubber glove to the public, such as latex examination glove, natural examination glove, vinyl, surgical glove, clean disposable glove, general purpose glove, and others. Top Glove supply chain. They has been sourced the product on their own, and the only supplier of rubber glove product in Malaysia. Top Glove has created more opportunities to collaborate with supplier when the demand becomes increasing each day. However, Top Glove has created a unique health-centric culture in order for them to stay competitive and able to achieve a new height. Supplier and manufacturer. Top Glove supply their goods, rubber glove or non-rubber glove, such as examination glove, surgical glove, face masks, to medical, food service, cleaning and industrial, for government and private sector. For the stores and vendors, the Top Glove product be shipped and sent to stores that order with bulk amount. Customer at Top Glove, creating value through sustainable practices rank high on brings in new customer agenda to believe in doing well and committed to managing their business. Top Glove also provide special website at tgbuys.com in order to customer easy access with the product of getting it online. Next is company certification. In line with Top Glove business direction of providing consistently high quality glove, the company has put highlight on quality control process and procedures of all their factories. These are one of product and ISO certifications. Top Glove has strictly followed the quality standard in accordance from year 1991 from the latest to 2019. This procedure also brings them in winning numbers of awards.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atika binti Abdul Rahman Siddiq. I will present about operation. Top Glove has been put with focus to dynamic development and operation of the company. To be competitive in the business arena global, every department must be trained to achieve excellence consistently in their respective area of specialization. Hope to achieve development and operation. For the demand management has a defined set of process, capabilities and recommended behavior for company that produce goods and service. The demand for rubber glove is expected to grow by 10 per annum. At present, through rubber glove have been efforts from the global crisis. The smaller manufacturers are facing stiff competition and high operational growth given the volatile latex price over the past 2 years. The demand for rubber gloves is increased in India, China, and Vietnam due to increase in health and hygiene awareness. Demand for lower and powdered latex gloves is popular among developing countries who end users are more cost conscious. In developed countries, namely in US and Europe, there is a definite shift toward powder-free latex and military gloves. Malaysia is the largest worldwide exporter of rubber gloves, whereas Thailand accounts for less than half of the market share. Next is MRP. MRP is a standard supply planning system to help business, primarily product-based manufacturer, understand inventory requirement while balancing supply and demand. The MRP process can be broken down into 4 major steps. The first one is identify requirement to meet demand. The first step of the MRP process is Top Glove identify customer demand and the requirement needed to meet it, which start with inputting customer order and sales forecast. Using the bill of manufacture of material requirement for production, MRP then disable demand into the individual component and raw material needed to complete the build while accounting for any required sub-assemble. Second is checking inventory and allocating resource. The utilizing the MRP to check demand against inventory and allocating resource accordingly. Top Glove can see both what item company have in stock and where they are. This is especially important if company can inventory across several locations. This also lets Top Glove see the status of item, which give visibility into item that are already allocated to another build, as well as item not yet physically in the warehouse or that's in transit or on order. Third is scheduling production. Using the master production schedule, the system determines how much time and labor are required to complete each step of each build when Top Glove need to happen so that the production can occur without delay. The production schedule also identify what machinery and workstation are needed for each step and generate the appropriate work order, purchase order and transfer order. And the lastly is identify issue and making recommendation. Because MRP link raw material to work order and customer order, it can automatically alert Top Glove teams when items are delayed and make recommendation for existing order, automatically moving production in or out, performing what if analysis and generating expedition plan to complete the required builds.
Assalamualaikum, I am Nurul Atira Anwar from ME10. I will present to you my part, which is distribution. There are 3 important points related with distribution, which is transportation management, distribution network, and perfect order fulfillment. Okay, for the first point, transportation management, it involves several types of it, including tracking and managing every aspect of vehicle maintenance, fuel costs, warehousing, mapping, and cargo delivery, and so on. In transportation management, Top Glove, of course, involved in cargo, delivery, the shipping to countries that import the Top Glove goods, as well as tracking, service, and delivery around the country. Meanwhile, to maintain a safe environment, Top Glove is also involved and to protect the environment, to keep environment change. Namely, 17 Klang Top Glove factories are in strategic location within 500 meters from each other in minimizing fuel consumption and enabling efficient transport between countries. This shows how they less and manage the transportation wisely. So the figure you can see shows the transportation management in Top Glove. Okay, next, it is distribution network. Distribution network is a flow of goods starting from the manufacturer or supplier and to the end user. This network consists in terms of storage facility, warehouses, and transportation system that help in the flow of goods to the end user. The process of this distribution network is to ensure that consumer receive product from manufacturer that will be done retail chain, wholesale sales, and direct sales. When determining the structure of this distribution network, there are several important factors that need to be taken into account in terms of product demand from end user, customer experience, product diversity available and product availability, response time, and product return. This method of distribution network, it depends on particular company in terms of method of storage and distribution and transportation. For example, Top Glove Company is a manufacturer of hospitality goods, which is to supply gloves to doctor, nurse, and so on. This method distributed by Top Glove, they make the product in the factory and repack the product and store stock in their own warehouse. When it comes time for shipping, they send via truck or other method. Here we can see the method of distribution network for Top Glove is that they operate their own product from A to Z to the end user. Referring to the figure below, the evidence shows that Top Glove is a global distribution across 195 countries exporting all over the world. Top Glove has 47 factories in the several countries, namely is 41 in Malaysia, 4 in Thailand, 1 in Vietnam, and 1 in China. On the other hand, the production line have 750 branches to produce their goods. This is to accommodate up to 2,000 more customer requests, especially consists of glove importers and distributors from all over the world, that mainly from US and Europe. Lastly, is about perfect order fulfillment. Perfect order fulfillment means a full supply chain journey as well as constant movement and activity. It is an extraction measurement defined as the percentage of orders shipped to the right place with the request product being correct, at the right time and situation to the right customer, the right invoice. The need for perfect order involved challenge within the company. Shows the figure below. In the operational section, in fulfilling the perfect order customer, Top Glove has employed 21,000 manpower in the company, as well as 47 factories in the business, as well as 750 production lines available, followed by the company production capacity target of 90 billion pieces per annum. With this, Top Glove places great emphasis on product needs in distributing to customer, so that stock is always made and packaged and stored as not to be interfere with orders from the customer to wait. Alright, thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Binti. So today I would like to present about the process of integration performance of Top Glove. So Top Glove Corporation Berhad has been pursuing aggressive expansion recently, and its management has focused to use technology to further automate its product line, reduce the number of workers, to improve and increase the efficiency of the product line and the quality of its products. The company has introduced embarked strategic digital adoption, that is by computerized company manufacture, operation processes, and also its business processes. So there is a three process of integration performance of Top Glove, which is the first one is computerize and digitalize its business process. The Top Glove company is focusing on integrating digital technologies into their operation. Digitalization is an ongoing process in Top Glove, but the knowledge on how to truly integrate the available technologies into our system is to improve company efficiency, which is relatively new to them. The company plans to spend about 1% of its total revenue on digital adoption, include research and development, and it's targeted for the next 3 years. So the secondly is putting processes online. The technology is being used to enhance productive capabilities and to ensure production can be scaled efficiently in the future. The technology with predictive capabilities has been installed in all its factories, so that engineers are able to monitor and control what happens in each factory. The technology also ensures the processes are accurate and repeatable, and also that the data is available in a timely manner. And the last one is digital integration means less cost. The computerized and digitalized technology allows for decentralized automation, decision making, and scope for predictive and prescriptive application, which is that correction and adjustment can be automated and complete significantly quicker and increase line efficiently with lesser costs. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Farhana Binti Hazir, and I will explain about a recommendation of top glove products. We recommend the proper market strategy need to be carried out to expand the business in rubber glove industry in top glove firms. The main objective of the top glove firm is to provide the better quality products at a minimum cost among the customer in Malaysia as well as in outer territories. Other than that, to earn a maximum profit, the limitation need to be focused by the top glove. The company also has to improve their working techniques among the employees to spread of the customers. To maintain the good quality of top glove, there is a high necessity in a company, and plus the firms have to be focused on a better quality of products at a minimum cost. After that, they need to develop new ideas and thinking for improving the quality of products among the customer, and finally to enter global markets. The firms has to make a high quality products, and the firms has to do exact survey to make sure a proper market for selling of products in Malaysia as well as the other country. As a conclusion of top gloves company, that they are currently facing some problems, which is the increase of labor cost, high initial investment, lack of educated people, and ecology. Moreover, top glove also need to invest heavily when at first expand the market into a country. In addition, lack of skills and techniques workers in a company in that country will slow down the operation in producing the product. Plus, the plantation is also another issue results of changes of climate. On the other hand, the top glove using the wholly subsidiary and exporting and its expansions strategy. In market competition, top glove needs to use exporting strategies because the local market is not big enough. The top glove had owned the market of rubber from the competitors in other territories. Other countries. There is top glove had to concern if they need to enter new market, which is political aspect, the country's economy, perspective, and so on. For overall, the firm is highly stable with the financial capacity. The firm needs to maintain a good profit by selling the better quality products, which is rubber gloves among the customer in Malaysia, outside territories of worldwide. After that, it's also concluded by maintaining a proper grip in the market helps in exporting of the products. The top gloves firms also made a high production line with the help of advanced machinery. And finally, to help in increasing more profits of the firms, the company had been introduced a technology of top gloves. That's all from us. Thank you.